Is an example of a reconstituted plastic wafer.
Sure.
So it has silicon die, as you can see on the back side. These die have been diced from their original wafer and then placed with spacing between them before we mold over them and grind to create this planar surface on the front side. What you see here, these rectangles, are copper connections through the mold compound to the die.
Sure.
We will then build up copper and passivation layers on top of, building the package that will ultimately either go on a substrate or a board. So this is the complete package. And you can see here, there's the copper layers. And if you look really closely, there's little tiny solder balls on top. So once it's in this state, we would dice it into the individual components, and those are the finished product that gets shipped out. One of the challenges when reconstituting a wafer like this is when you pick and place each die, it can shift slightly, and so you want to make sure that you keep your connections to those die.
Sure.
We have something called adaptive patterning. It dynamically creates a pattern for every single package. So if you actually looked at these under a microscope, you would see that every single one is slightly different than the next.
Super. This is the first time we're seeing all of this in India.
Yes, it is.
You're the leading packaging. So how excited are you about the RRP partnership?
I'm very excited about it. I think that the passion that RRP brings to the table, combined with this technology, will really advance the capabilities here in India. And it's our goal to, from Deca's side, to really enable RRP with the technology and help save them from the headaches of trying to reinvent the wheel. We're able to just hand them a solution that they can implement.
So it's not just going to be the wafers and the OSAT, much more.
Yeah. We like to refer to it as an interconnect foundry or an advanced packaging foundry rather than an OSAT, because it's much more a wafer process, a fab process, than traditional packaging with wire bonds and things.
And can you throw some color on the M series? I believe it's the universe of possibilities.
Yes, the M series, that's the kind of structure I was talking about at the beginning. That's a molded chip with copper studs through the mold compound. It has this perfectly planar surface that you can build up on top of. And you can use that for fan in, fan out, package on package, molded interposers. So starting from really simple technologies kind of built for mobile, all the way to the interposer, which is for artificial intelligence applications.
Wonderful. It's a historic moment, and good luck for the partnership.
Thank you very much.